Hey guys, I just measured the wood that I purchased from Lowe's here. I'm going to be cutting this. This is actually 2 inches. So it's going to be 2 inches apart. I'm cutting them in half. And I have these wooden dowels. I've already tried to measure them with the dowel on it, but it was a little too long, so I had to measure again. Hey guys, I'm back. What you guys see, I've already cut it, so I'm just gonna push it aside and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now these screws right here, I'll be using these for this project. It is smooth on each end. You want to definitely make sure it is. I'm actually screwing the screws halfway in the back of the wood. That way I know exactly where to place my wood. The screws that I was using does not work. They're not long enough. But I went back and purchased some. But as you can see, the hole is already in the wood. So these screws here was the screws that I needed in the beginning, which I thought I had already purchased them. I possibly overlooked them. But this is the size that I needed, a 6x2x1 2-inch. So let's go ahead, let's jump in. And I'll just be repeating the same thing that I did in the beginning. But this actually takes lesser time because I already have the holes in the wood. And as you can see, I'm using this little piece of wood to elevate it because this wood does have little grooves inside of it. And as you can see, I'm only drilling it in halfway because eventually I'm going to need to prop this up against something. That way I can screw my screws tighter so I have a snug fit. Okay, it's finished. Want to show y'all the look before I get into painting it. I will be going over it with this finish here. It's dark walnut and it is super dark, but once it dries it will lighten up just a tad. But I really love this color. As you can see, I'm just brushing it on. And I only went over this one time. And I recommend that you do this outside unless you're a very skilled painter. I did drop some of this paint on this paper, but for the most of it, it was like little spritz on the floor, as you can see on the paper here. So be very careful if you're doing this inside your home. You want to paint the front, back, and inside. And actually inside the little grooves as well. Okay guys, this is how it looks. It's not completely dry, but I love it. I really love this color. And when you're doing this project, if you're doing it inside your home, make sure you have something down to protect your floor. I'm so thankful that I did have some paint thinner that I purchased from Lowe's. It was very inexpensive because I have plans on redoing my cabinet. As you can see, there are no knobs on them. But I really think it turned out great. I'm actually doing this project for a friend of mine. She has an open kitchen, and I thought this would be so great. She's going for this country farmhouse look, so I think this will work. But tell me what y'all think. Bye.